In this quick video, we're going to troubleshoot an Apple HomePod Mini where the Siri is not responding. So you say, "Hey Siri," and it's not responding at all. Very common problem that would happen. First thing you want to do, let's say the light's not blinking. What you want to do is try to manually activate it by just pressing the plus and then minus. And at the same time as you're doing this, say, "Hey Siri," and then ask a question and see if you're able to manually activate it by doing that. Next thing what I want you to do is I want you to make sure the Wi-Fi network is on in your home. So for example, test a different device on your Wi-Fi network and see if your computers and your TVs and phones are working on that Wi-Fi. If not, then you know the issue is not with your HomePod Mini. So one thing you can do is just go ahead and unplug the router from the wall, the Wi-Fi router in your home. Give it about 5 minutes, plug everything back in, then make sure another device can work, and then try your HomePod Mini. All right, and next thing you need to do is make sure that Siri is enabled on your iPhone or on your computer. So what you want to do is go to the Home app on your iPhone, for example, press and hold down your HomePod Mini, press and hold it down, and then what you want to do is tap Settings, and then verify that Listen for Hey Siri is turned on. If it is off, then enable it and try it again. All right, next thing you can do is just restart the HomePod Mini. So what I'm going to do is just unplug it and give it about 5 minutes. Just unplug it, and that does like a soft reset. And then plug it back in and then see if Siri will start responding again. Next thing you could do is restart your iPhone if you got it connected to your iPhone, or restart your MacBook if you got it connected to your MacBook. All right. You want to check the microphone, so make sure nothing is covering the top of the HomePod Mini. So make sure that there's no obstruction or anything on it. Let's say if you got like a cover on it or something. And then next thing you want to do is update the HomePod software. So go back to your iPhone, open up Home for your HomePod, tap Home Settings, select Software Update, and install the available updates. So a lot of times they'll update it, and that's the reason it's not working. And then of course update your iPhone as well, or your MacBook. Just just type in updates and check for updates. The next thing you can do is check for personalized requests. So for example, go back to your iPhone, go back to the Home app, tap your HomePod, open Settings, verify personal request is enabled if you want Siri to access messages, reminders, or calendars. Then we've already reset the Wi-Fi network. And then one thing you can do is factory reset your HomePod Mini. So you can do that from the iPhone by just going to Home and then going to the bottom and click Reset. Or you can just unplug it, and then after 10 seconds, quickly plug it back in. And what you want to do is you want to hold your finger down on it, on the very center, and don't let go. And then that should start turning red and blue, and it'll beep 3 times. And that does a full factory reset on it. And you want to find a lot of times that will fix it to where you can get Siri working again. And then test the microphone. So like I told you earlier, just go ahead and press. So you can tell the microphone is working because you hear that trumpet. And if you never hear anything, then it could be flawed with the speaker. All right, thanks for watching. Let me know which one of these methods work. This is the A2374, but it'll work with any model. All right, thanks for watching.